Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add shipping address on your Alibaba app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Alibaba app. So all you have to do, so just go down here, you click here on my Alibaba app here on down here. Then it's going to take here in this window, it's going to show for you like this. And all you have to do now, so you just go down here, you keep going down and you come here to shopping addresses, you will click here. Then it's going to take you here and you click here on add address. Then here it's going to show for you window like this. And here add your information or your address, and you just click here on save, and it's going to save with you on your shipping address. And here if you want to set as default shipping, you click here. If you don't, you just click here and it's going to turn off with you. So that's all you have to do, and when you done, you click here on save. I wish you know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.